Hello, I'm Alex from Drake, and today I would like to show you one of our new products. This is the vigorap 903, which is a new mesh access point. It's a dual band Wave 2 mesh product that's hot off the press, one of the first of the production runs, so I'd like to show you what's in the box. So let's take a look. In the box we've got our access point here. It has a protective film on it, so that's just so that it doesn't have any scratches or marks on it when it gets produced, so we can take that off. And it's got some protective caps as well. These are for the aerials. They're detachable, so you can add the aerials on. I'll show you those in a moment, but those caps come with it just to protect it in transit. So let's see what else is in the box. We've got the power supply. It's PoE, but it can also be powered by a separate power supply, so that's quite handy. The PoE one might be if you're connecting the mesh route, but for any of the mesh nodes that are connecting wirelessly, they still need power. We don't have wireless power yet, so have to wait a bit for that. So we've got 5 ports on it, and we've got the power port here, and there's a WPS button to turn that on and off, and then we've got on-off button for the powering the device, and then we've got a USB port. That can be used for connecting a USB thermometer, so you can put it in a different position and get it to report the temperature of the area as well, which is quite handy. Got some LEDs on it which show you what ports are connected and the activity and other ports on here. So let's see what else is in the box. We've got a quick start guide. This is just some stuff to help you get it all set up. And also in here we've got an Ethernet cable, so that's useful for the mesh route. We connect that to one of the Ethernet ports on here. And we've got a rack mounting, sorry, not a rack mounting, a wall mounting connection, so you can wall mount this by putting the screws in. And we've got 2 aerials as well. So we've got these detachable aerials that can connect onto the AP. It's quite handy because it means you can use the aerials that come with it, but also you could upgrade them. So you could have directional aerials or higher gain aerials that you could connect to them that are available separately. So yeah, that's the AP 903, and these are movable, but you can change the position as well. So that's what's in the box. Thank you.